Hi, this is Eva and Mark, and we're here day 2 in beautiful Bali. And we're just leaving the port, and wonderful statues are greeting us. The windows, the writing on the windows is in the way, so it's hard for me to show you everything. But I'll show you how green it is. Oh, the statues, here we go, I didn't notice it. You see new things every day. And you're looking beautiful sculptures in the garden. Bali, very green, a lot of sculptures, a lot of art, a lot of religious things. There's the dragons, the fork-headed Buddhas, you name it, we get to see it. Really nice. Oh, something that looks like a bird in flight. I love this. Look at that, the white sculpture coming up. Saw that from the ship yesterday. Oh, here's a pretty fountain. Oh, sorry.
Right.
Can't get much of the fountain, but have a lot of the bird. So there you go. Okay. Our guide is going to start.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, good morning.
Very pleased to see all of you. So today, the trip is a little bit long distance, right? So, according to the planning, I'm very pleased to introduce also my name, even though the few of you said I will send you.
So come with us, even more.
So,
Let me take
my
you
name is
over Bali,
Sukanda,
Asia,
Asia,
all over the world.